Nat fucking 20. Guess I'm gonna do this properly because I keep forgetting stuff that I have. So
Because you're only doing a fucking 100 points of damage every time you roll.
the first one is a 21 to hit.
Hits.
24.
Hits.
Nat fucking 20.
Hits twice.
Actually, that hits 3 times because I have brutal critical.
You sure the fuck do, don't you?
Yep.
Well, that just means you get to add an extra damage die.
An extra damage die. Yes. So it basically means 3. Alright, so it's going to be 9 plus 18. Basically 3.
What the fuck do you mean, basically?
30, 40, 55 points total.
Holy shit.
54, 55. Math, motherfucker. Learn it.
I'm gonna cast Ice Storm.
I didn't I just roll that 3 times? Because I'm stupid.
Could you have done more?
Could have. I totally fucking could have.
Well, it's gonna take an additional.
I still forgot my fucking timing. I keep forgetting shit.
21 points, so 28 points total.
The Chevalier de Morte is looking fucked up. Super fucked up. Kolvar, it's on you.